Imagine a message racing across a city at night. One tower lights up, then another, and suddenly the whole skyline glows. Fast, right? But here's the twist. In blockchain, that message isn't gossip, it's treasure. And instead of towers chatting, they're confirming valuable information for everyone at once. So, how does this treasure news spread so quickly? Let's find out. Picture a chain of watchtowers. Each one guards a treasure chest. When a new chest is locked and sealed, the first tower sends out a bright signal. The next tower picks it up, flashes it forward, and soon the entire horizon shines with the same news. That way, no matter where you stand, every tower is showing the exact same truth. The treasure is real and secure. In blockchain, this lightning-fast sharing is called network propagation. It's how towers, also known as nodes, spread the word about newly locked treasure chests, which are the blocks of information. Instead of a single tower holding the record, the entire network copies it. That ensures every participant, everywhere, stays in sync. Why does this matter? Because it keeps digital assets secure. Think of rare art, music, or collectibles you own online. Without propagation, only one tower might know you're the owner. With propagation, every tower in the network agrees, and that makes it nearly impossible for fakes to slip in. It's fairness and trust built right into the system. So now, you know how treasure news spreads tower to tower, keeping records fast, fair, and reliable. Here are the key terms to remember. Network propagation. The process of spreading new information across the network so everyone stays up to date. Nodes, the computers in the network that receive, check, and pass along information. Blocks, secure containers of information that the network shares and confirms together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep learning about money, crypto, and how the future of finance works, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment a new episode drops. See you in the next one.